So can we talk about grounding, Sanjeev?
Yeah.
I think you have a couple of different things to address when it comes to grounding. We all live in very busy worlds. So what are some things that we can do? What steps and measures can we take to help ourselves to feel more grounded?
Remember, yesterday we gone to the water, in the river. What we did, we put our foot into the river and let the water was flowing, and we were just witnessing the water, right? Like how the water is healing our body, mind, soul, So that is the first way of grounding, And on the top of it, when we do the breathing exercise, then it is going inside. We are moving inside, And the breath is life force energy, just like the water, And like attract like. So this is the first way of grounding. The second way of grounding, as we did, we took our shoes off and we run on the grass, So that was another part of grounding which we did, And definitely, it will help us to raise frequency, energy, vibration, And the last part, sometimes we hug the trees, Like when we hug the trees, so what happens? Basically, we release carbon dioxide, and we inhale the oxygen, which is released from the trees, and we become one with the trees, and we are totally grounded, we are totally witness the tree. So this is the way, we can do the grounding.
So the water, the grass, the earth, the tree.
Yes.
So the connection, they're all connected to Mother Earth.
Yes, they are connected to the Mother Earth. So we have to witness the Mother Earth,
So in any situation, whether if you have a garden at home, you can be outside in the grass.
Yes.
You can go to a park.
Yeah.
You can find a body of water. Put your feet in. Or what about your hands, Sanjeev? Would it work the same or?
Yeah, even sometimes we can connect our hand with the water too, because when we connect our hand, it will absorb, all kind of the positivity, from the water, from the grass, from the trees as well.
But the important step is whether we're connecting with the tree or the water, is to then connect with the breath.
Yes, that is very important.
So that, does it accelerate the process then?
Yes, it accelerates the process very much. Because as I said, the breath is life force energy, right? And the water is also life force energy. And like attract like, So as soon as we connect with it, even you would have seen yesterday, definitely we feel more vibration, We start feeling more energy, vibration, and we have started feeling much more grounded, So that's what I think so.
But these are quite simple steps that people can take on a daily basis.
Yes.
If they're getting frustrated or facing with anger.
Yes.
They can try and find something in nature.
Yes, and that's how we can transcend our ego, anger, fear,
Sure.
or whenever we are busy with mind, we can go to the nature, water, mountain, wherever, and we can connect with that, and on the top of it, we can do the breathing meditation that will add million times more value. Yeah.
Perfect.